Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into something that can have a huge impact on your financial health, the Fair Credit Reporting Act, or FCRA. You've probably heard about credit reports and credit scores, but did you know that there are federal and state laws designed to protect you from inaccurate or unfair information on your credit report? Stick around as we go over your consumer rights, how to dispute inaccuracies, and what you can do if you fall victim to identity theft or FCRA violations. The Fair Credit Reporting Act, or FCRA, is a federal law that regulates how credit reporting agencies handle your credit information. The FCRA ensures that your credit report is accurate, fair, and private. It gives you certain rights to dispute errors, protect against identity theft, and seek compensation if your rights are violated. As a consumer, you have rights under both federal law and state law when it comes to credit reporting. Let's break them down. Federal rights. 1. You have the right to dispute any incorrect information on your credit report with the credit reporting agencies. They are required to investigate the dispute within 30 days. 2. You are entitled to one free credit report every year from each of the three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, through annualcreditreport.com. 3. A company must get your permission before pulling your credit report, except in certain situations like when you're applying for a loan. 4. If a negative item is reported to the credit bureaus about you, you have the right to be notified by the lender or company that reported the data. State rights. In addition to federal protections, each state can enact their own laws that can provide extra safeguards, like a longer statute of limitations for reporting inaccurate information or additional protections for victims of identity theft. Be sure to check your state-specific laws for more details. Let's talk about the statute of limitations, which is the amount of time you have to take legal action regarding inaccuracies or violations under the FCRA. Typically, you have 2 years from the date you discover the error or 5 years from the date the violation occurred to file a lawsuit. But keep in mind, if you're dealing with identity theft, the timeline might differ, so it's always a good idea to consult a legal expert. Inaccurate information can come in many forms. Here are some examples of what can be considered incorrect. 1. Misspelled names or incorrect addresses. 2. Accounts that don't belong to you. 3. Outdated or old debts. For example, debts that should have been removed after a certain time but haven't been. 4. Inaccurate account statuses. For instance, accounts listed as late or in default that are actually current or paid off. And 5. Incorrect payment histories. Sometimes payments get mixed up, and your credit report may incorrectly show late payments when you were actually on time. These errors can have major impacts on your credit score and financial future. If you spot an error or think you've been a victim of identity theft, here's what you should do. First, dispute the inaccurate information. Start by contacting the credit reporting agencies. They must investigate the issue within 30 days. You can file disputes online or by mail, and be sure to include all supporting documentation. Second, contact the creditor directly. If the error is related to a specific company or lender, contact them directly. They may be able to correct the issue or provide clarification. Third, report identity theft. If you're dealing with identity theft, file a report with the Federal Trade Commission through identitytheft.gov, and consider placing a fraud alert or credit freeze on your credit report to prevent further harm. Lastly, file a police report. If your identity was stolen, make sure to file a police report and keep a copy for your records. Failure to address inaccuracies or identity theft can lead to serious financial consequences. These include 1. Loan denials. Inaccurate information can cause you to be denied loans, including mortgages and car loans. 2. Higher interest rates. A lower credit score due to inaccuracies can result in higher interest rates on loans, costing you more in the long run. 3. Difficulty renting. Landlords often check credit reports before approving tenants, and a poor report can make it hard to find housing. 4. Employment issues. Some employers perform credit checks, and a bad report can impact your chances of getting hired. 5. Insurance premiums. A low credit score can also lead to higher rates on car insurance or health insurance. It's clear that inaccurate information on your credit report can affect many aspects of your life. Now, if a credit reporting agency or company violates your rights under the FCRA, you can take legal action. Here's how. First, file a complaint with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau or CFPB. The CFPB is a government agency that can help you resolve issues with credit reporting companies. Second, sue for damages. You can sue in state or federal court for damages. This could include actual damages, punitive damages, and attorney fees. If the violation was willful, you may even be able to recover up to $1,000 in damages for each violation. Third, hire an attorney. If you're not sure where to start, you might want to consult with a consumer protection attorney who specializes in FCRA violations. Understanding the Fair Credit Reporting Act, or FCRA, and how it protects your consumer rights is crucial in today's world. Don't let inaccurate information or identity theft hold you back. You have the power to take action and protect your credit, your financial future, and your peace of mind. Remember, you have the right to dispute inaccuracies, protect your identity, and even take legal action if needed. Empower yourself with this knowledge, and don't let anyone take advantage of you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on how to protect your rights and financial health. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and take care.